Hello, this is your musician friend AK coming at you with the songs that you love to hear and play. Today's song is When We All Get to Heaven. Awesome song. We're going to get into it. And I'm going to tell you, this song is kind of hitting close to home because I just had a loved one to pass away this past week. But you know what? We know that when we all get to heaven, what a time it will be. So guys, we're in the key of B flat on today, and this song was requested by Dale. Yes, Dale. Thank you so much, Dale, for this awesome song. And to my Numerical Melodies family, if there's a tune you want to hear, drop it in the comments and I will bring it to life. All right, guys, let's get it. We're in the key of B flat. That's B flat, C, D, E flat, F, G, A, and B flat. Of course, this is Numerical Melodies. We have to run through that with our numbers. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 1. All right, guys, we're going to do as we always do. Let's go ahead and stretch out our hands. Let's crack our knuckles, wiggle them, get the nerves out. And guys, let's go ahead and receive this awesome song, When We All Get to Heaven.
Sing for Jesus. Sing God wondrous love. Sing His mercy and His grace in the mansions, bright and blessed. He'll prepare. Oh, come on, sing when we all. What a day! Oh, yes, there will be when we all see Jesus. See Jesus. We'll sing and shout. Sing it like you mean it when we all. What a day, what a day. When we all see Jesus. We gotta sing and shout. Verse 3 says, let us then be true and faithful, trusting, serving every day. Just one glimpse of Him in glory will the throne. When we all. What a day, what a day. When we all see.
To all my numerates, let's take this time out and count our numbers. Easy song, guys. We're going to get through it. So we're starting out with Sing the Wondrous Love of Jesus. Let me give you that. So what we're doing is we're just going back and forth from the 1 to the 5. 1 to the 5, right? And that groove sounds like. All right. Now in our right hand, we're doing something more rhythmic, right? So we're going. We're playing two chords. We're playing our B flat major chord, and then we're playing our E flat major chord. So the way that sounds is, I'm going to take it really slow. Our next part is sing His mercy and His grace. All right, what are we doing? So what we're doing is we're on our 2 and we're walking up to our 5. Now those chords are E flat 6 in our right hand, and we're just walking up 2, 3, 4, 5 flat. And then we go up to our 5. Right here on the 5, we're playing our F dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to our 1. We're playing this E flat major chord. Going to our 5 and we're playing this D minor chord. Going back to our 1 and we're playing our B flat major chord. They're doing a nice little turnaround here. Beautiful chord there. Grab it. We're on our 5. Next we're going in the mansion bright and blessed. Let me give you that. We're going to our 1. We're playing this B flat major chord. Going to our 3. We're playing this B flat dominant 7 chord. Going to our 4, we're playing an E flat major chord. Walking right up to our 5 flat, and we're playing this B flat diminished 7 chord. Beautiful turnaround. Let me give you that. We're going to our 5, B flat major chord. Going to our G minor chord on the 6. Then we're playing our C dominant 7 on the 2. Going to our F dominant 7 on the 5. Then we're going up to our B flat major chord on the 1. They're doing this nice turnaround. Let me give you that. We're going 3, 4, 5 flat, 5. And then we're playing this chord. Let's grab it. We're playing a 5, a 4. We're playing our A, our D flat, and our F in our right hand. So we start the chorus, which everybody knows, right? Is when we all get to heaven. Let me give you that. So I'm playing 1, 3, 5, 6, and back to the 1 in my left hand. In my right hand, I'm playing 2 chords. That's a B flat major chord and an E flat major chord. Beautiful chords there. So we're just going back and forth from those 2 chords. So let's see what it sounds like together. When we all, yeah, that sounds good. Here's the next part. Get to heaven. Let me give you that. So I'm starting out with my left hand. I'm playing the 3 by itself. Then we're playing get to heaven. Okay, let me give you that. We're on our 5. We're playing this beautiful chord here, F dominant 7 chord on the 5, right? Going to our C minor chord on the 6. Going back to our 1, regular B flat major chord. Then we're going back to our groove. So what I did was I went 3, 5, 6, and ended on my 1 with the B flat major chord. Here's the next part. What a day of rejoicing that will be. Let me give you that. All right, so we're starting out on our 3 flat by itself. Now we're playing this beautiful turnaround chord. We're going to our 3, and we're playing our C diminished 7 chord. Going up to our 6 flat. Now we're on our 6. We're playing our G minor chord. So we're just going to walk from the 6 to the 2. Right there on the 2, we're playing our C dominant 7 chord. Now we're just going to walk from the 2 to the 5. Now right here on the 5, we're playing our F dominant 7 chord. Now I like to do this nice little turnaround. What did I do? I went 2 flat, then I went to my 2. I'm playing my C dominant 7 chord. Then I'll go to my 5 flat. Then I'm playing my F dominant 7 right there on the 5. When we all see Jesus. Let me give you that. So we're playing our B flat major chord by itself. That's when we. Then we're going to our all. We're playing a B flat major chord, second inversion. And we're just playing this right here. 1, 3, 6, and back to the 1. Here's C Jesus, C. Right here on the 3, we're playing this beautiful, beautiful chord. Grab it. G, we're going to the 4. We're playing our E flat major chord. Zus, we're just walking up. And we're on our 5 flat. We're playing our D flat diminished 7 chord. We will sing and shout the victory. Let me give you that. We're on our 5, regular B flat major chord. We're going to walk up. We're going to our G minor chord right there on the 6. Walking up to our 2. We're on our C dominant 7 chord. Alright, what did I do there? I'm playing my A minor chord on the 5 flat. Going to my C minor chord on the 5. Going to my 7, and we're playing our F dominant 7 chord. Then we're going to our 1, regular B flat major chord. And then we just turn around again with the what we did earlier. Guys, I hope this song have been a blessing for you. Awesome lesson. Today's life lesson is the iPod that opened a door. I still remember the day I got my very first iPod. Back then, it felt less like a gadget and more like something from the future. A tiny device that could hold music, games, pictures, and somehow fit in my pocket like a little digital universe. I couldn't stop staring at it. Every swipe, every sound, every glowing screen made me wonder, how does this even work? Most people probably would have just listened to music and moved on. But curiosity grabbed me by the hoodie and refused to let go. I started spending hours learning everything I could about it. I figured out how to jailbreak it, customize it, and even repair cracked screens. While other people saw a broken device, I saw a puzzle waiting to be solved. Piece by piece, that fascination turned into skill. Skill turned into passion, and passion quietly started building a future I couldn't even see yet. Years later, that same guy who was obsessed with figuring out an iPod became an Apple developer. Now, instead of only exploring apps, I create them. Instead of wondering how things work, I help build experiences for other people to enjoy. There is something surreal about watching someone use something you created from an idea that once only existed in your imagination. Life lesson. Curiosity can quietly shape your future. The things you obsess over today may become your purpose for tomorrow. Don't ignore small interests. Tiny sparks often start giant fires. Sometimes your calling begins with simply asking, how does this work? Awesome job, guys. Let's give ourselves a hand. Yes, thank you so much for coming in and working with me on today. And Dale, thank you so much for that awesome song. Please request more. It was very timely. Guys, this is the time of the video that I tell you that we are on the road to. Yep, I heard you say 1 million. Let's give it up for the 1 million. And if Numerical Melodies got you smiling like it's your little secret, don't be stingy. Spread the joy. Tell somebody about us. We have a bell. I would love it if you can hit that bell because the video that is new is coming right to you. And right next to that bell is a subscribe button. Guys, they tell me it takes 3 seconds to hit that subscribe button. Let's see. 3, 2, 1. Bam! I see you just hit it and you just hit that bell. Guys, you have just made my day, my month, my year. I really appreciate you, and know this. You're not just playing the music. You are the music. This is AK signing off.